Halo teman-teman, hari ini Mama Devi akan membagikan 55 sound effect terpopuler yang sering dipakai para YouTuber. Tambahkan sound effect di videomu biar makin menarik ya. Mama juga taruh link downloadnya di kotak deskripsi, dicek aja ya. Oh ya, sebelum itu jangan lupa like, komen, subscribe, dan nyalain juga tombol loncengnya biar kamu dapat notifikasi video terbaru Mama. Terima kasih banyak ya. Ingat loh, di subscribe. Terima kasih.
It was at this moment that Nathan knew he fucked up. Enemy spotted.
I'm not gonna let you get the chance. Nope.
And his name is John C.
Bye, have a great time.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I believe I can. Denied. Die.
Run.
Triple kill!
Ring, 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 ring.
Boom.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Monster kill. Kill, kill, kill.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
Huh?
What's up, fuckers?
Fuck! the hell?
Why you bully me?